Oh, I fell in love last Christmas. In fact, 3 days after Christmas. Yes, I fell in love last Christmas over brandy and port wine, and I kissed my love soon after, amid lots of crack and laughter. We were swinging out of the rafters to the tune of Auld Lang Syne. Oh, I loved her very dearly, so truly and sincerely. There was no one in this wide world I would sooner have called mine. So I drew out all me savings, and I splashed out on Carnations. And I made my presentation on the feast of Valentine. Well, she looked at me carnations, me lovely pink and cream carnations. Yeah, she looked at me carnations, bristling like a porcupine, and then she said, you can stick your old carnations, your smellless, force-fed Dutch carnations that were dragged up in some greenhouse on the banks of the Rhine. Oh, you big, thick, ignorant gobshine, you great double-barreled gobshine, you All-Ireland champion gobshine. You have no brains, backbone, or spine. Why did you pluck me one wild snowdrop, one wild daffodil, or a snowdrop, and leave that old bunch of weeds to wither on the banks of the Rhine? And then she took me grand carnations, me lovely pink and cream carnations, proofs of my infatuation that cost me £2.99. And where she shoved them Dutch carnations, I leave to your imagination. And our amorous relations entered terminal decline. On my grave there grows a snowdrop, a wild daffodil and a snowdrop, and my love sheds the odd teardrop if the day comes nice and fine. And this morning by the hokey on me grave she placed a bouquet of carnations pink and rosy from the vines of the Rhine. Oh, she loves me very dearly, so truly and sincerely. But isn't it a pity late to be shedding tears now after she treating me like a swine? And after such humiliation, if I have to face reincarnation, I'll fall in love with some fair maiden from the banks of the Rhine.
Amen, brother.